1 second, guys. I just accidentally closed the chat. My bad. Let's fix this real quick. Alright, I think we're all good to go now. Alright, cool. Let's go. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, guys. Sorry about getting started a little bit late here today. But, alright, so good news. I did get a new mouse. I don't really like it, to be honest. It's like a small HP mouse, but yeah, it'll do. And I did fix my mic. It was a little low, the past few shows, but I figured out what was wrong with it. So some technical difficulties getting fixed here. I don't think my memes are working today. I gotta update OBS or Stream Deck or both. I don't know. So we have to go manual memes today. That's alright. Alright, what's up, everyone? What up, Low Roller? Ken? Koya? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate everyone as always. Let's read some comments. Wow, Kanye West got suspended Twitter. Even Alex Jones shocking Kanye West. I did see that. So Kanye, so he got banned from Twitter from the last regime, and Elon unbanned him, and now he got banned again. But he didn't get banned. He got suspended. Even Alex Jones modern liberal interview. Kanye West is crazier than Alex Jones. I did not see the interview yet, but it is making news. I've yet to see it, and I still have to see it. But I heard he posted a. But we're not even gonna get into it. I don't want to get banned, but I did hear about it. I did not see it yet. I have to watch it. Okay. What up, Koya? Alright, cool. So it seems like all the comments are just about Kanye. So I'd love to talk about Kanye, but yeah, it's a bit controversial, and you guys know how YouTube is. So I'm just trying not to get banned. So let's get on with the show today, guys. All right, cool. So thanks everyone for being here. Today is Friday, December 2nd, 2022. I'm your host Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. All right, so happy Friday, guys. And today we're doing the show from the stock exchange, New York Stock Exchange, trading floor. Pretty neutral day here. Probably a slightly bearish day, actually, but yeah, pretty neutral day. So let's give that some applause here. No memes today, right? So gotta wing this a little bit. There we go. Alright, and I don't have too much planned for you guys today. Gonna be a pretty short and chill show, and I gotta catch up on a lot of work. I gotta timestamp all of this week's videos. I gotta do yesterday's AMC video. So I've been falling behind on work. My bad, guys, but I'll get all caught up today. But yes, today not too much to talk about. Should be a pretty short and chill show. So as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Today we got a few articles. Let me see here. Yeah, we got 5 articles. Today we got 5 articles. One about FTX Japan. Two about the jobs reports, which was the big thing today. Big news. One about the Fed, which I also guess has to do with job reports, and then one about the railroad strike, or lack thereof, the railroad strike. So 5 articles today. Pretty important stuff. No TA today, but we can look at some stuff, some honorable mentions here. Let's see. I know COSM was an honorable mention. We're not going to talk about that one, because that's a pretty funny stock there. But yeah, COSM honorable mention. AVXL, also honorable mention. We're not going to do it today. but that did make StockTwits number 5, 3,600 mentions. I did try to short it, but it did hit my price of, I think 13.40, but it did not fill, no shares. So we could briefly look at that. We could look at COSM, we could look at SPY, Bitcoin, anything else you guys want me to look at. But no TA today, no full TA. And then we'll get to the Yolos, and we have 9 Yolos today. So yeah, quite a few Yolos. Pretty good stuff today. And then of course we'll be doing our live rainbow bearing throughout the show. So I don't expect today to go too long, but today is Friday, which is usually the best day for streaming. So maybe hour to hour and a half today. I'm thinking. Depends on how many people come in and chat. But should be hour to hour and a half today. Not too much to cover. Okay, cool. All right, I think we're good. So let's get started, guys. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Kanye is on something nowadays. I think he just actually thinks he's the coming of Jesus. Like Jesus sent him here, God sent him here to spread the word or something, and like he legit thinks he's a prophet. Alright, let's do some live rainbow bearing. Alright, anything going on? Tie short SPY, show the power of rainbow bears. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of... Well, I don't think you should short SPY. If anything, you should long it. You can buy puts on it, but, I'm not the biggest fan of options. So, yeah, personally, I don't short indexes, ETFs like that. I just short, poop stocks. Alright, anything going on here? What is this? NKTX. Alright, there's some news there. Keep an eye on that. NKTX. Add that to my watch list. But other than that, not seeing too much aftermarket action. Yeah, I think that's about it. It's been very slow lately. No one likes to trade during the holidays. Alright, let's get to my plays today. Kanye West was picking on Chris Paul. I did see that. Kanye West got mad at Chris Paul because apparently Chris Paul smashed Kim K. Just rumors at this point. Nothing is confirmed. But apparently Chris Paul smashed Kim K. Kanye West will end up like FTX CEO, will go broke. Well, for now, I think I don't think he's a billionaire anymore, but he's still pretty rich. Chris Paul getting that, bro. Everyone's getting that Kim K. Everyone's in that family. If you're a rapper or athlete, you're valid. All right. Let's see here. Neon. ALR. Alright, cool. He owed $200K a month in child support? Yeah, he does. I don't know why, because she's richer than him. He can afford it, but that's pretty rough. At this point, we can count on who didn't get Kim K. She's with everyone. Yeah. Why is she famous again? I don't know. Here comes the Sirens, guys. Gonna talk over it. My apologies. Alright, so let's do my plays today. So, RIGL. You guys saw that I shorted this yesterday. or I tried to short it yesterday. I put it in the order yesterday, live. Didn't hit till this morning. It hit $1. Unfortunately, it did get upgraded, so I panic covered. I didn't really panic cover, but I just covered at 96 cents. Made about $85 there, and then it continued to bleed all day. Now it's sitting at 82, so I really should have held that. Should have made a lot more. Should have made a lot more. I hate it when that happens. The upgrades come in, I get spooked, I cover, and then it keeps going down. But then it works the other way too. You know, I cover and then it goes up a lot of the time. So I just took a small profit there, $85. But if I held, I could have made probably 400. That's how it goes. So yeah, covered at 96, now sitting at 83. I effed up there. But green is green, green is good. Not complaining too much. Pally, still bag holding this one. This one does not want to go down. It's still squeezing, actually, low-key. So that went up 9.6% today, down 255 on that. ALLR, small low-float stock, shorted at 66 cents, covered at 50, made about $80 there. Partial fill there, so I made about $80. COUP, still bag holding this one, up 0.5% today, lost 15 bucks. MACK, still bag holding that one, up 0.25% today, lost 5 bucks. UCL, still bag holding this one. I'm holding a lot of bags right now. This was pretty disappointing, because this went down all day and then went back up. So down 0.8% today, made 25 bucks. PCVX down 1.3% today, still bag holding, down or up 40 bucks today. And then Neon, shorted this one yesterday, live, post-market, down 1.35% today, but I made $200 on that, actually. So overall today, and then RMed, yeah, RMed, how could I forget? So this one is not going so good. Shorted this one live yesterday at 370, I think. And it came back down to in the $3 range, but during power hour, it really ran here. So now it's sitting at 445. I'm down 520 bucks on that. So overall today, I'm pretty sure I'm down. I'm most definitely down. Let me see. That can't be right. 200. 340. 540. Yeah, so I am down today. I'm down, down about 450 bucks today. So, not too bad, but yeah, good. Where's my good? There it is. Yeah, so, kind of disappointing today. I did not win today, which, I can't win them all, but damn. I haven't got any big wins, and, but these losses are adding up. I'm getting, like, small wins, and then get some huge losses, so, I've been making money, but it's slowed down very significantly in the past few weeks. Okay. So, yeah, there's my place for today, guys. I'm holding a lot of positions right now. Well, I just dumped 2 today, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Holding 7 positions right now. I guess it's not too bad. Alright, let's do another scan. And they tricked the short today. Yeah, SPY was looking really, really bad. The futures, pre-market. And then it did pump pretty hard today, so... yeah, the shorts, they did trick the shorts today. Why you need kids have 200K a month child support? I wish I'm Dad Kanye West. I can do all the YOLO on Wall Street bets or cryptocurrency since I get 200K a month. They don't, but that's how child support works in this country. Imagine someone like Blake Griffin, who, doesn't even have as much money as Kanye, and he has to pay, I think, somewhere around there. Maybe not 200K, but it was something ridiculous. 70K, I don't know. So, protect your seed, guys. It is no joke out here. You guys want financial advice? Don't knock women up. All right. So still nothing happening here post-market. All right. Cool. Let's get into the watch list. I think it's this one. Yeah. Imagine what Nick Cannon may be paying now. Yeah, but apparently he wants to. He thinks it's his mission to repopulate the Earth or something. Him and Elon Musk. So he can afford it. It's not very wise, but he can afford it, and he seems like he's happy. So power to him. This is why you are not married, since women take all your money. That's a big reason. Yes. Not that I wouldn't do it, but it's gonna take a special woman. Yeah, for sure. I'm very protective about my assets. Yes, and everyone who is high net worth should be, for sure. Even a prenup doesn't. Well, a prenup helps, but it's not foolproof. You only get B's. Yeah, we're not gonna get into it, but you know how I roll. All right, I'm still a young bachelor, young, rich, and handsome. All right, cool. Let's get to the watch list. So the Dow Jones Dow Jones up 0.1%, Nasdaq down 0.4%, and the S&P down 0.12%. So slightly bearish day here, but not too bad. Let's give that some applause. Yo, we got to do that Vegas trip with Mitchell. Yeah, I don't know where he's at. I don't even know how MMTLP has been doing. Let's check it out, actually. I don't know if he sold. I hope he did. MMTLP. Yeah, it's finally pulling back. I think it's over. I hope he sold. Even if he sells here at 8, that's quite a profit. So, congrats to him. Yeah, we should go to Vegas. Community trip to Vegas. Nothing good happens in Vegas. That's gonna be straight up debauchery. That's why you go to Vegas. To sin. All right. So the VIX is actually down 3.93%. I really don't know why. That's kind of weird. Down 0.78 points. So we're at 19.06 VIX now, which is really good. 19 VIX. We have not seen 19 VIX in a long time. So not complaining at all. Just really weird. Really surprised. But okay, I'll take it. Damn, RMED is still going crazy here. At 450 in the aftermarket. Okay. Alright, let's check out the watch list. Start on the green side here. So Xpeng, 15%. Very nice. Peloton, 13%. Got some Yolos about that later. Tilray, 10%. Got some Yolos about that later as well. So it looks like 420 doing well. EVs doing well, especially Chinese EVs. There's Neo, Li Auto, Riot's up. Coinbase, so it looks like crypto's doing well. Alibaba, so China's doing well. Yeah, MicroStrategy, more crypto stocks. GME, 3.5%. Got some value here. Meta, 2.5. Dollar General, 3.2. Meme Index up 1.7%. Nike 1.3. Netflix 1.09. That's at 320 now. Netflix just keeps on moving. Wow. Disney 0.85. So not too much price action here on the green side. But decent amount of growth in value. Decent amount of growth. in the green, and a lot of value did do pretty well today as well. But pretty uneventful. Not too much happening on the green side. Let's check the red side. Market makers effing up both calls and puts today. A bunch of a-holes, man. Yeah, so, yeah, they did, you know, you can't prove it, but during days of expiration, definitely a lot of shady stuff going on. A lot of stocks getting pinned at certain numbers. So you can't prove it, but yeah, I know. I trade some RMED, but small gain. It's up and down. Did you cover, Ken, or are you still in there? Because you were in at 450, right? So if you're in at 450, you should still be up. Unfortunately, I'm down quite a bit here. Not quite a bit, but about 20%. Alright, back to this. Honorable mention, Mullen down 6% today. That's back at 20 cents. Good. Wow, what happened to PayPal? 5%? VIX down 3.94%. So when the VIX is down that much, that's always a good sign. Got Snapchat, DoorDash 3.4%, AMD down 3.2%, Palantir 2.5%. Wells Fargo, Costco down about 2%. That's pretty bad. Nvidia 1.5%, Amazon 1.4%, GM 1.3%. There's a decent amount of value here. Chipotle, Bank of America 1.3%. Yeah, BP, Discover 1%. Yeah, pretty sideways day. Seems like an equal amount of stocks in the green and red, but more price action on the red side. So, yeah, pretty sideways, but slightly bearish. But for some reason, the VIX is down. Not complaining. So, I don't know. I don't think anyone really made money today, to be honest. I don't think anyone lost that much money, but I think everyone, boomers, apes, and rainbow bears, all slightly in the red today, or I am at least, as a rainbow bear, and the market's slightly in the red. So I'm assuming the boomers and the apes also lost a little bit of money. So yeah, not the greatest day. Pretty rough for everyone, but hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. I took a small L. Hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. Hope you guys made money. If not, you know, hope it wasn't too bad. All right. No, I cover. Why, dude? You got scared? I'm still in here. What up, PZ? What's up? Haven't seen you in a while, dude. Or haven't seen you chatting at least. Maybe you've been lurking, but glad to have you back. Yeah, and if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Matter of fact, let me check where we're at on Netflix. I mean, not Netflix. YouTube. Said Netflix. 5 likes. All right. So thank you, guys. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Is this the bottom of the market or next year the Big Bang? Well, no one has crystal ball, you know, but personally, I would think that it is not the bottom just yet. I think probably by mid next year, we're going to hit the bottom. But we should definitely be out of this recession by the end of 2023, I would say. So, yeah, personally, I don't think it's the bottom yet. I think somewhere mid 2023 we'll see the bottom. And by the end of 2023, we should start to see recovery. But we'll see. Hopefully sooner than that. And Machete, what's up? Thank you guys for being here.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Please smash that like button, guys. Please, thank you. Yep, up and down, hard to trade. Well, you just got a diamond balls, dude. You got a diamond balls. Because it's still heavily shorted, so no one's covering it. No one's covering. But the bulls are giving it a run. I will give them that. But no one's covering. Shorts are not covering our mid yet, so I'm still in here. Same with Neon. No one's covering that yet, so I'm still in here. You already made 500? Damn, dude. That's a pretty good profit. I'm down 500. I'm glad you're up 500. Okay. Alright, there's the market. Let's do another scan and get onto crypto and the news. All right, I'm not seeing any action still. Yep, no aftermarket action. Boo. All right, 1 second. Let me pull up crypto and the news here. This is so much easier with the mouse, bro. Oops. A little too sensitive. Alright. Gonna give this a minute to finish loading, and we'll do crypto and the news here. Alright, Armed is slowly pulling back now. Bull doesn't give up? Yeah, they're really not. I don't know why, but the Bulls are pretty strong here in Armed. But ultimately, we know how this is going to go. Bulls should take their profits. They want some. Yeah, they're winning so far. I'll give them that. But come next week, you know, it's not going to end well. Alright, cool. Let's get to crypto now. So here's crypto. That is up 0.84% today. Slightly bullish here. Sorry, gotta manual the memes today. Let's check it out. So slightly bullish day. Let's check it out. Bitcoin up 0.6%, holding 17K. Ether up 1.5%, holding 1,300 about. Binance down 0.4. XRP down 1.25. Dogecoin down 1.8. Not much price action here. Polkadot up 4.7. Uniswap 9.6. So I see a lot of green, but price action isn't too crazy. Let's sort this out. I guess we'll start on the red side. Yeah, so not much in the red here. Probably count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 21 coins in the red. We'll just call it 20. So yeah, 80% of the coins in the green, 20% in the red. Neutrino USD got depegged. It's at 89 cents now. That's pretty scary. Anyway, so biggest loser is Phantom, 3.5%. So not bad at all. So not many coins in the red and not much price action. There is some value here. Doge and XRP. And Toncoin and Chronos and Litecoin and Binance. So decent value. But yeah, not many coins in the red. Not much price action. Let's go to the green side now. Alright, so green side, 80% of the coins in the green. And some pretty decent price action. Biggest gainer is GMX, 13.4%. And then Terra Classic. That is still a thing. Interesting. 11%. And, so yeah, most of the coins in the green. A lot of price action. Well, not a lot, but good amount of price action. And a decent amount of value on the green side, too. We got Uniswap, Filecoin, Avalanche, Polkadot. Yeah, Solana. Decent amount of value here. Polygon. So, pretty sideways day. Well, not actually, no. Slightly bullish day. Not the most amount of price action, but yeah, definitely slightly bullish day. So, I'll take it. So yeah, slightly bearish day in the crypto market, or in the stock market. Slightly bullish day here in the crypto market. So overall, pretty neutral day. That's why I went with the stock exchange today, the trading floor. So, yes, pretty uneventful neutral day. Hope you guys made money. Pretty hard to make money, actually. But I hope you guys made money. If not, hope it wasn't too bad. Hope you guys didn't lose too much money. I did okay. I lost a little bit today. That's alright. Alright. Cool. What time is it? 4:36. We're doing pretty good on time. Alright, let's get to the news today. And then we'll look at some stocks. And then we'll finish up with the Yolos. So, yeah, we're doing really good on time. Alright, let's get to the news today, guys. So, once again, we have 5 articles. One about FTX Japan. 2 about the jobs reports. One about job reports. One about the Fed. And one about Biden and the rail strike. Pretty important stuff here today. Let's do it. First article, FTX Japan to unfreeze withdrawals of client funds. The new FTX trading management team has approved the plan to resume withdrawal services. The Japanese subsidiary announced on Thursday. All right, so this is good. So we did look at this, I think last week or the week before. I can't really remember, but we did have news that FTX Japan was trying to open up their withdrawals. It wasn't looking. It looked like there was a chance that would happen last time, but now it looks like it's actually going to happen, which is good. So it's suspended on November 8th. And yep, so the new FTX team just approved to resume withdrawal services in Japan. Doesn't say when. But it says, yeah, so the company has $138 million in cash and deposits. I hope that's enough to pay everyone out. So this is good. This is good news. You know, we haven't had good news in a while coming out of FTX, but FTX Japan is going to open up withdrawals. That is very, very good. So hopefully, I'm not saying this is going to happen, but SPF claims that FTX US has enough funds to process withdrawals, so maybe FTX US is next. Hopefully, I hope so. But yes, this is good. This is good. So I'm very happy for Japanese customers, and hopefully, you know, they find a way to open withdrawals for other customers as well. All right. Switching gears now onto the jobs report. All right, so here's where the jobs are in November 2022 in one chart. All right, so a lot of additions. So, yeah, 263,000 jobs added. That's very, very, very good. So, leisure plus hospitality, 88,000 jobs. Healthcare plus social assistance, 68K. So, a lot of, like, caretaking jobs popular. There's probably a lot of women getting hired. Government, 42K. Construction, 20K. Information, 19K. Manufacturing, 14K. Financial activities, 14K. Professional plus business services, 6K. Mining plus logging, 3K. Transportation plus warehousing, minus 15.1K. And retail, minus 29.9K. So a lot of, retail and warehouse workers getting laid off. But overall, a lot of jobs getting added here. So that's really good. Very bullish for the economy here. Yeah, so education and health. Adding a lot of jobs. So that's good. All right. So payrolls and wages blow past expectations, flying in the face of Fed rate hikes. All right, so non-farm payrolls increased 263,000 for the month, while unemployment rate was 3.7%, the Labor Department reported Friday. The payroll number was well above the 200,000 estimate, while the unemployment rate was in line. Our average hourly earnings jumped 0.6% for the month, double the estimate, and 5.1% annually versus the 4.6% expectation. Okay. So yes. So jobs report, very bullish. Better than expectations. This is very good. All right, the Fed's path to a Goldilocks economy just got a little more complicated. A higher than expected payrolls number and wage reading add to the delicate tightrope walk the Fed has to execute. The numbers would indicate that 3.75 percentage points worth of rate increases have so far had little impact on labor market conditions. Fed Chairman Jay Powell earlier this week outlined concerns he has about inflation and the jobs market in particular. The inflation outlook, while very uncertain at best, has a path forward that is consistent with a Goldilocks scenario, Moody's economist Mark Zandi said. Okay. So the jobs numbers were actually good, but not in terms of the Fed. Yeah, so this is interesting because normally, good jobs reports would be bullish, but in a time of high inflation, it's actually not the best thing. Yeah, so the rate hikes had little effect on jobs. Yeah, so the Fed is trying to get in this Goldilocks zone, which for everyone who doesn't know is like the just right zone. Not too hot, not too cold. But it seems like it's still too hot right now. But the hikes are working for sure. Just not as effectively as we want it to. But, I think everything is going to plan. They're just going to keep hiking. I know Jay Powell said 0.5% or possible possible reduction in rate hikes in December. I'm not sure if we're going to see that anymore, but we are on the right path. So yeah, good jobs reports. Not exactly the best thing for the Fed, but this was bullish today. All right, last article here. Biden signs bill averting rail worker strike despite lack of paid sick days. President Joe Biden signed a bill into law making a rail strike illegal, preventing workers from walking off the job weeks before the holiday season. Congress intervened as the threat of a strike loomed but did not pass the paid sick leave provisions workers sought. The workers and companies had until December 9th to reach an agreement before they vowed to strike, which the industry estimated would cost the U.S. economy $2 billion per day. Okay, so not many people have been paying attention as much to this rail strike thing, but it is still a thing. And yeah, now Biden said he can't strike. Or you can't walk off the job. Yeah, you can't strike. It's illegal. What are they going to do, arrest you? So, I mean, I guess this is good because it's not going to hurt the economy, but kind of sucks for the workers. I hope they get their rights. But yeah, rail strike averted. So, this is good overall for the economy and for most people, but I do hope the people get paid a living wage and benefits, everything they're asking for. Oh, there's Pete Buttigieg. Buttigieg, that's his name, right? Transportation Secretary. Okay. So, yeah, those are the articles for today, guys. Pretty important stuff. Especially the jobs numbers. All right, cool. So let's look at a few stocks. Let's do another scan and look at a few stocks, and then we'll finish up with the Yolos. Actually, let me pull up the Yolos. Let that load. so memes loading up. Yolos loading up. Let's do another scan here. A little low on frames because everything is loading. That's cool. All right, what's going on here? Still not seeing anything. Very, very uneventful. That's cool. Hope Arbit has an offering. That'd be nice. Man, I cannot believe RIGL. Man, I sure got duped there. All right, let's look at a few stocks here. Let's look at SPY, Bitcoin, COSM, and AVXL. And anything else you guys want me to look at, let me know in the chat. All right, cool. All right, so we got SPY here. 63 RSI, so a little bit on the higher end there of the RSI. Slightly bearish. Gap filled here. Yeah, so this is either going to come back up to 421, then back down to 381, or 381, then back up to 421. There is a channel developing here. Very rough sketch. Very, very, very rough sketch. Alright. Yeah, so very rough sketch, but ascending channel here. So if it breaks 417, that'd be bullish. If it breaks 396, that'd be bearish. So neutral indicator there right now. RSI bearish. MACD bullish. Gap down bullish. Gap up bearish. Aftermarket action bearish. This is down to 406 in the aftermarket. So it really can't go either way, but whether it goes up first then down or down first then up, I do think this is due for some pullback down to at least 381 in the short term. So personally, I'm going to say short term bearish, long term bullish. But this very well could keep running to the upside in the short term as well. But I think at some point it's due for some pullback down to at least 381. So there's SPY. Let's get Bitcoin. So holding 17K here, approximately. Yeah, so Bitcoin looks pretty bullish to me. Not financial advice, but yeah, double gap down. 35K. About 29K, so, should come back to 29, 35, eventually in the longer term. Cup and handle forming here, so this should come back up to 22K, complete the cup. RSI is at 47, so that's actually around fair market value. It should be a little bit higher, actually. And MACD is crossing to the upside now, so yeah, this is, it looks really bullish. No bearish indicators. Double gap down, cup and handle, slightly below average RSI, MACD. So all bullish indicators, strong bullish indicators, no bearish indicators. So yeah, Bitcoin looks really bullish. If I were a bull, I'd load up pretty hard on Bitcoin right now. But, you know, I am a rainbow bear. Yeah, Bitcoin looking very bullish to me. Let's look at COSM. Funny stock here because you can't really trade it. Up 35% today, so. Yeah, it's still squeezing. It's still squeezing. Low-key kind of looks like a bull flag developing here. Very, very rough sketch. So bull flag developing, that's bullish. RSI 63, so kind of bearish there. MACD, bullish. Aftermarket action, bearish. So this has been squeezing. Definitely seems like it's still squeezing. But I think at some point it's going to come crashing down. So be careful, guys. Be sure to hit the sell button at some point. Can you even sell this? Can you even buy this? No opening trade. You can't even trade this. This is one of these funny stocks. So, yeah, this may keep running for a little bit more because it's in the middle of a short squeeze, gamma squeeze right now. But, you know, sooner or later, it's going to have to come crashing down, just a matter of when, not if. So, if you guys are up, hit the sell button at some point soon, I would say. Okay, and what's the last one? EVXL. EVXL. Alright, so this one, pretty straightforward. So I did try to get filled at like 1340. Never happened, unfortunately. But yeah, this is mooning on news. Yeah, good trial results here. Good results from their Alzheimer's disease drug. So yeah, this moon today, but you know how this biotech stuff goes. Look at that volume, insane volume. It gapped up here at 957. So this is most likely gonna pull back down to 957 at least. So yeah, RSI is at 54 right now. So around fair market value, $12, maybe a little bit lower, should be. MACD, bearish. Gap up, bearish. High volume, bearish. Possible cup and handle, bearish. Looking very bearish. Looking very, very bearish. So if you guys made money here, hit the sell button. And if you guys want to reload, then I would load up at 957 and lower. But yeah, you know, if you're up, hit the sell button. Not a bad shorting opportunity. Probably gonna pull back down to 957, and I think that it's time to load up 957 and lower. This Lucky Day experience, ugly face scammer. You should have time today. Yes, we do have time. All right, so yep, that's all the TA today. No one's saying anything, so I guess you guys have nothing you guys want me to look at. Still don't see anything here on the scan. All right, let me check YouTube, and let's finish up with the Yolos. 4 viewers, 7 likes. All right, thank you guys. Appreciate everyone who was here.
Another one.
Oh, wrong one.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Yeah, but let me get another like, too. Let me get those likes up.
Another one. Another one.
Please, thank you. All right, cool. Let's get on to the Yolos. What time is it? 4:56. Alright, so almost an hour in, and we just got the Yolos left, so we should be out of here in like 15 minutes, approximately, 10-15 minutes. Alright, doing pretty good on time. You got Portugal tax in crypto? No, I do not. But, no more news, no more news. Did you get any shares in AVXL? No, I did not. My order was at 1340. I was trying to enter at 1340. And, it did hit 1340 earlier today, but I did not get the fill, so it's currently sitting at 12. I don't think it's going back up to 1340, so I don't think I'm going to get filled on that, unfortunately. But, it should still be a pretty decent short. I'm just not going to go for it anymore. But no, I did not manage to get fill on that, no, unfortunately. Okay. Alright, guys, let's finish up with the Yolos today. So this should be fun. We have 9 Yolos today. Mostly just corn. Only one meme, and then just straight up corn. So this should be pretty fun. I pulled out the best ones. Let's do it, guys. First one by HZJ5790. Lord help us all. Alright, so as with many of our Yolos, we got to start out with Jim Cramer. The man, the myth, the legend himself, Jim Cramer. Lord help us all. Alright. So yeah, Powell's inflation remarks are a green light to stay in stocks, Jim Cramer says. Uh-oh. So if Jim Cramer says stay in stocks, you may want to sell everything. I'm half joking, but you guys know the joke inverse Jim Cramer. Jim Cramer says stay in stocks, you may want to sell everything. So very bearish indicator here. Jim Cramer being bullish. I mean, I already sold everything. I'm straight up cash gang, so I'm good. But yeah, word for you guys. All right, let's get to the chord by Marky Marcos. TD Ameritrade accidentally deposited money in my account 8 months ago. They just realized, and now I owe them 20K. All right, this is very impressive. First of all, I've never heard of TD. Well, not never, but TD rarely makes mistakes like this. They're not Robinhood, you know. So I'm not even sure how that happened. How to get 20K from TD. But okay. And yes, they're not Robinhood, so of course they called it. But I'm surprised it took them 8 months. But what's really impressive is that so they took out 20K from his account, right? As you see there. But he's actually down 65K overall. So he lost the 20K plus another 45K today? Bruh.
And it's gone.
So I don't even know what happened here. Maybe he got margin called and then they realized he had too much money and then and then they liquidated him. I don't even know. So a lot of stuff going on here, but in the end he's down 65K. That's the important part. I don't even know how this is possible. This has to be FD, all-in margin, and an F-up on TD's part. There are people who get liquidated, and then there are people who not only get liquidated, but also owe money to brokers. Yep. Oh, boy. So, yeah, everyone pretty much saying the same thing as me. I don't even know how this is possible. But, yeah, take the special type ape to do this. Very impressive. Very, very impressive. And, I'm not very surprised, because this forum doesn't really surprise me anymore, but pretty impressive. Get liquidated and owe money to brokers. Yes, that's a special type of ape. So, Marky Marcos, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not really. Totally your fault. And I'm just really confused on what happened here. But, bottom line, you lost 65K today. Ouch. Guh. So, hope you're okay in the future. Don't do whatever the hell you just did. But you are forever a legend, dude. I hope all these awards were worth it. You're internet famous now. So what's 65K when you got all these awards? Anyway, thanks for hosting. Sorry for your loss. Good luck to you. I hope you have timed Kanye West interview this weekend. Yeah, I'll watch it right after. Alright, by A-Train 1189. Right, it's this guy. Right, yeah. the BlackBerry guy. We reviewed this guy yesterday. So, future 100K in lost coin. So, BlackBerry update. Bought 40K more in calls today for December 9th. Bruh. So, he was 100K in, and now he's 140K in now, I guess. And these are some fat gains, bro. I think he's up. Yeah, he's in for 140K. And, so this is 140, 196. He's up quite a bit here. Anyway. Yeah, so in for 140 and up about 56K. Crazy, crazy. Alright, let's check it out real quick. Did BlackBerry go crazy today? It didn't even go that crazy. Alright, so 520. Alright. So, this is actually not... Alright, yes, I do remember this guy. The strikes were actually not that bad. $5 strike, 5.5 strike. That's pretty reasonable, actually. Just the expirations are pretty FD. December 9th, December 23rd, and January 20th. So, dude, you're already up 56K. That's a lot of money, and, you know, bear market, the $5 call's already in the money. I personally would sell the $5 calls. And if anything, you can let the 5.5 ride. But this is just highly, highly risky. You know, I don't care how rich you are. I would not YOLO 140K into FDs. And, you know, while you're up, I would just hit the sell button, cash out, and call it a day. But, you know, this is Wall Street Bets. I'm expecting him to hold all the way through expiration. So, 10Ds or 1Ds, I guess. But, yeah, I think the best play is just hit the sell button. Anyway, so A-Train 1189, thanks for posting. Thanks for the update. You are insane. And no matter what happens, you're going to be a legend. Personally, I think you should hit the sell button. But, I know that's not going to happen. So, no matter what happens, please post updates, dude. I want to see how this goes. Good luck to you. Rooting for you. Can you look at Bed Bath & Beyond before we go? Yeah, sure. And anything else, guys, put in the chat right now. We'll get to that. Alright, by Impressive Fig, 9532. Wish me luck, YOLO Peloton. Alright, so this guy is 39K YOLO. Actually, I guess it was more like a 34K YOLO, but he did make 44.7K today. Anyway, so yeah, like 34K YOLO Peloton. Let's see here. So, December 9th. A lot of calls here. December 9th, 13.5 and $14 calls. Let's check that out. AMD as well? Sure. Peloton. Isn't Peloton, like, really bad? Yeah, it's been coming back lately. Yeah, it has been coming back lately. Wow, I don't know why. 73 RSI. Filled the gap. Also, almost a cup and handle, too. Alright, so 13.3. So these are actually not in the money yet, but close to it, a week to go. So I guess overall he's up 10% on his play here. Yeah, this is a sell, dude. This is a sell for sure. Chart looks very bearish. You know, it may have a little bit more run to go, but really shouldn't go too much higher. Yeah, chart looking very bearish. I'd hit the sell button on all of these. So yeah, strike wasn't too bad. Expiration, not the greatest. You know, pretty FD, but well timed. But yeah, at this point, I'd hit the sell button. Chart's looking very bearish. I just cash out now before it goes to 0. Good chance it does. So this is not the greatest play, to be honest. The risk is not worth the reward, but it paid out so far, and I just cash out while you were up. Just my opinion, though. But yes, so impressive fig, 9532. Thanks posting. Yeah, like I said, pretty risky stuff. Don't really recommend it, but you got paid so far. You got 1 week to go, and it's not even in the money, so I'd hit the sell button. But you know, this is Wall Street Bets. Apes don't know sell button. I'm fully expecting this guy to hold their expiration. So 10Ds or Wendy's. Good luck to you, dude. Rooting for you. Gonna need it. And no matter what happens, please post updates. Alright, this is by Super Bear Put. Alright, this is the oh, this was the guy who lost 38K on that stupid stock. So now he's going, I think this is his final YOLO. 16K. Alright, so this is his entire portfolio. Alright, entire portfolio is about 30K. No. Yes. Entire portfolio is about 30K. So his last 30K. And what does he do? He YOLOs it on friggin' SQQQ. Actually, wait. Alright, actually, I take it back. I think... I don't think he has much money left. I don't know how much money he has left, but, Anyway, so he has SQQQ. December 9th, 46 and 48 calls. No, he has... What? He has a 46 put and a 48 call, so I guess that's a, And he bought... No, he sold... 40 at the 46 put, and he bought at the 48 call. So he so it's a credit spread. No, it's a debit spread. It's a credit spread. It's a credit spread. It's a put credit spread. It looks like it, at least. Anyway, not going to spend too much time on this. But, yeah, so 16K, let's just go with what he says. This is confusing. But, $48 call, 16K SQQQ. He lost money on OKTA. Yeah, that was the guy we reviewed the 2 days. He lost 38K in OKTA. All right, SQQQ, it's at 41.8. 8 now. So this is way, way out of the money. Oh my god. This is way, way out of... So this is reverse QQQ, right? Short QQQ. So to go up, QQQ has to go down. Yes. So he needs some massive, massive guh in QQQ in tech the next week. Yeah, this is not looking good. I don't know why he did this. But I hope it worked. Dude, just cash it out. Just cash it out. Take the loss. Take the loss or you're going to blow up your whole account. I know he's not going to, but yeah. So this is how you blow up your $54,000 account in about a week. That's how you blow it up.
And it's gone.
Take notes, apes. You want to learn how to be a super ape? This is how you do it. So yes, this is what happens when you play FDs, when you play options, guys. I keep telling you guys don't do it. You guys keep doing it. So it's epic. It's epic. It's hilarious, but really sad at the end of the day. Anyway, so yep, there goes 54K. There goes his whole account.
And it's gone.
So super bear put. I hope it was worth it. You're a legend, dude. But yep, RIP to your portfolio. Thanks for posting. Good luck to you. Please post updates. But yeah, I'm fully expecting this guy to come back here. You know, no money left. All right, what we got here? By P. Me Conan. 2023, 2024, 2025 calls. All right, so we got Peloton leaps here. So, you know, I'm not the biggest, you guys know me, I'm not the biggest fan of buying options, but if you guys are gonna buy options, I always tell you guys, this is how you should do it. Leaps, not FDs. Anything 6 months and out. 6 months and further out. So this guy's pretty bullish on Peloton. I don't really know why. Peloton's making a comeback, apparently. 13.3. Yeah, so so I do like these 10, 11.5, and 15 strikes. The 20 and 35 strikes, that's a bit ambitious. Not gonna lie. But he has 2 years, 2 and 3 years for those to work, so I can get behind it. I can get behind it. Those are a little bit more risky, but good time frame to make those. All right, I can support it. So I'm not sure what the cost basis is, but he's up quite a bit today. Like 50,000 bucks, something like that. Approximately 50,000 bucks. So yeah, really well done. I mean, I don't like Peloton, but yeah, you know, good strikes, good expirations, and well timed so far. So this is not ape at all. This is really well done, well planned, and well executed, and it's paying off so far. And we'll see how it goes. But I like this a lot. This is how you guys should be playing options. This is smart aping, not, you know, crayon eating aping. So P. Me Conan, thanks for posting. Yeah, well done, well planned, well executed, and congrats on your attendees so far. It should keep paying out, and you know, along the way, please post updates. All right, by Loin1210. Well, I told you, easy. Print some money. All right, we got Xpeng calls here. 11, 12, and 15 for December 9th, next week. So, not sure what the cost basis was, but this guy is absolutely printing. Up $156,000. Holy crap. Alright, Xpeng. 1145. Chart is pretty bearish though, not gonna lie. But okay. All right. So 11, so only one of them is in the money. And a week to go. 15 is a bit ambitious. 12 is possible, but out of the money. So, yeah, dude. So I think this is pretty obvious. This is most definitely a sell. 1 week to go. Good chance these don't go in the money. The 12 and 15s. You know, 11's already in the money. It might not be next week. So, yeah. You know, you made some epic money here. You got to be happy with this 156K. Don't get too greedy. If you do, good chance it goes down to 0, dude. So, I think you just obviously have to cash out here. And the plays themselves, you know. Decent strikes. I don't know about the 15, but decent strikes. Not the greatest expirations, but well-timed. So, bit risky and it's paying off. And yeah, at this point, I just cash out. So yeah, Loin 1210, thanks for hosting. Pretty risky stuff. I wouldn't recommend it, but it paid off pretty big here, and I think there's only one thing to do at this point. Hit the sell button. Enjoy your attendees. But no matter what happens, you know, please post updates. Want to see how this goes. So congrats so far. Good luck. All right, 2 more. By Spiritual Station 51, Tilray just passed the 200 moving day average. 200 moving average today. I'm locked and loaded. Oh my god. All right. So yeah, so the guy made 10K today. Congrats. But I think this is a 74K YOLO, and today he made 10K. So congrats on that. So these are leaps. I like that. January 2024 and January 2025. 5, 10, 20, and 5 calls. Let's see, Tilray here. 460. Okay. So I like the 5 calls. The 10 call is a bit questionable, but okay. And the 20 calls, that is very, very questionable. That would have to this would definitely have to squeeze again. So I'm not exactly the biggest fan of this. I do like the strikes, or I do like the expirations. The 10 and 20, I can support the 10 strike, even though that's a bit questionable. 20 strike, I don't know what the hell that is. But alright, dude, I'd probably just cash right now, to be honest. But yeah, you know, this is a long-term, a 2 to 3 year buy and hold. So congrats so far, and good luck. You know, I don't have the greatest feeling about this, but again, if you guys are going to play options, this is how you should do it. Leaps, not FDs. So this is not as apish as some other plays, and I don't fully support it, but a lot better than some other plays, yes. So yeah, Spiritual Station 51, thanks for posting. Good luck to you. Well planned. Don't know how it's going to work out, but you know, yeah, good luck to you. Congrats so far, and please post updates. All right, last one by Specialist Dust 3920. Lost corn with long list puts for 1 year. Alright, well, let's check out the lost corn. So, yeah, in the past year, he's down 69K. Lol, of course. 95%. Good.
And it's gone.
So, yes. Typical Robin Hood ape here. Not surprised. But what exactly did he do? SPY puts, BILI puts, DIA puts, ENPH puts, XPeng puts, FDRV calls, Amazon calls. Yeah, just a whole bunch of aping here. FDing. I don't even know what a lot of these stocks are. BLI, DAI, ENPH, no idea. FDRV, I don't know. But a lot of FDing, a lot of aping here, and did not work out. So yes, this is typical aping. dig yourself in a hole, lose money, dig yourself a bigger hole, lose all your money. Try to gamble your way out of a hole, and you just blow up your whole account. Typical stuff. So, yep, that's how you blow up your whole account. 69K. Not his whole account, but he has 4K left. Anyway, so, yeah, typical ape stuff here. Super aping, super FDing. No, and there goes your whole account.
And it's gone.
So, Specialist Dust9320, thanks for posting. Epic Lost Corn. Totally your fault, so I don't feel bad. But I'm glad you're taking it like a champ. This is some epic write-offs for the next 23 years. Epic write-offs. More than that, Ed. No, 23 years, yes. So, yeah, ouch. Hope you're okay, but Epic Lost Coin, thanks for posting. Good luck to you. And, yeah, you're a legend, dude. Alright, cool. Who the F bets on an ADR that much? Apes. That's who. These damn apes. Alright. So let's watch this video from Low Roller. Let's look at a few more stocks. Bed Bath & Beyond, AMD, and we'll do one more scan and get out of here. Alright, I want to make sure I don't get copyright here. Yeah, turn down. No. Turn off sound. Alright, how do I? Alright, I don't even know. Alright, no sound. That's him? He's Asian? That's him? Is an Asian guy? Or is he white? Looks Asian. Or maybe mixed. Alright, well, he's not ugly. Okay, it's an Asian guy. Or white guy. Wasian? Blasian? I don't know. No, not Blasian. Wasian. Cool. Alright. It's Asian scammers? Yeah. You don't typically see... Actually, that's not true. I was going to say you don't typically see Asian scammers, but there's Dan Locke. That guy's a super scammer. And Ty Lopez, he's Hispanic. Lopez. But, yeah, you don't see too many Asian scammers. Except for Dan Locke. Alright. So, another scan. Don't really see anything going on here. Alright, so let's do Bed Bath & Beyond, AMD, and let's get out of here. So, yeah, hour and a half. About 5:30. Alright, Bed Bath & Beyond's. Except Chinese scammers. Yeah, there's a lot of Chinese scammers, but not on YouTube. You know, they're the ones like... There's a lot of Indian scammers, actually. But Chinese scammers, too. Here comes the siren. Gonna talk over it, guys. My apologies. Alright, so Bed Bath & Beyond. 44 RSI, so a little bit oversold. MACD is bullish. Cup and handle, that's bullish. Triple gap down. That's bullish, so. It does look bullish. But, you know, be careful with these meme stocks. The way to play these meme stocks, you gotta buy them low. You may have missed it already, but you gotta buy them low, and, you know, when they squeeze, because they will, eventually, every couple of months. When they do, you gotta hit the sell button. You know, diamond hands is not the way, so. I personally wouldn't go for, you know, meme stocks like this, but it does look like a pretty good buy right now, I'm not gonna lie. Not like an excellent buy, but an above average buy here. And yeah, you know, not sure how high it's gonna squeeze, but this without a doubt will squeeze again at some point. And when it does, hit the sell button if you plan to play this. So yeah, it looks short term bullish and long term bullish, I would say, based on the chart. fundamentally, I know it's a really bad company. So, yeah, technically looks good. Fundamentally, not so good. But, yes, the way to play these stocks, you buy low. When they squeeze, hit the sell button. So, yeah, 360 not exactly the greatest entry, but pretty decent. Yeah, so it looks pretty bullish short and long terms. But just be careful. You know, don't play around with these meme stocks. You heard Coinbase charged 30% taxes, gas on fiat and crypto. Heard the news, Apple. Yeah, I did hear that. Apple is charging on the NFTs, yes. We went over that yesterday. All right, AMD. All right, this one. So obviously this is a good stock, longer term. Short term, RSI's at 56. MACD is still bullish, but it's about to cross over. Yeah, so this one, there's a gap at 63. Gap up at 63. So, yeah, I wouldn't really. I mean, 75 isn't exactly a bad entry, but it's not great. It's actually slightly below average. So there's a gap at 63. So yeah, long term, obviously bullish, but I think this will pull back down to 63 to fill the gap there. So I'm going to say short term bullish, long term bullish. I think 63 and lower is a good time to load up on AMD here. Okay, I think that's it. So nothing happening aftermarket. Neon is pulling back quite well here in the aftermarket. But RMAT is going nuts. Alright, well, yeah, I think that's it, guys. So we went an hour and a half today. So I said hour and a half. We went an hour and a half. That's good. Yeah, so not too much to discuss today. No TA, no full TA. Pretty important articles and some pretty good YOLOs. So, yeah, pretty short and chill show. Hope you guys enjoyed. Today was a lot of fun. So, yes. Enjoy your weekend, guys. I will see you guys back here on Monday. And I catch you guys on Discord. So, I have a lot of work to catch up on. I got to timestamp all these videos. And I'll pump out yesterday's AMC video very shortly. Okay. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for joining me today. Please smash the like button on your way out if you haven't yet. And, yep, that's all I got. So, see you guys next week. Let's get out of here. Damn, RMAT is going crazy. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after the market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out.